Hello, Namaste. Welcome to Tiny Times Doctor's Corner. This is Dr. Bharti Mahanti, and now we are going to another episode, Summer Fruits. Summer season is a period of extremely high temperatures which take a huge toll on your bodies. Hot temperatures are very stressful for our bodies, causing dehydration, fatigue, nutrition loss, etc. Too much exposure to the hot weather can also result in a serious health conditions. So, to tolerate these extreme hot conditions, our nature provides us the seasonal fruits, which are especially grown in the summers, are called as the summer fruits. These summer fruits provides us essential nutrients, which keeps us hydrating during the extreme hot conditions. Most of these are abundantly available in the summer seasons. They need warm temperatures to grow, so they are mainly harvested through the summer times. Summer fruits, they are loaded with numerous vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and many essential nutrients. They not only nourishes the body but also helps us to fight against many health conditions caused due to the extreme heat and humidity like heat stroke, nausea, diarrhea and headaches, etc. Now coming to the top 20 fruits to eat in the summer for hydration. Watermelon, a popular summer fruit, contains more than 90% of water. It hydrates the body, moistures the skin, hair cells, cools your body, cleanses the body toxins, good source of potassium, iron, calcium, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B6 and number of antioxidants like lycopene, amino acids, dietary fibers which helps on strengthening your immune system, strengthening your muscles, nerves, bones, which improves your eye health and which prevents you from your heart diseases and cell damage. Mango, king of fruits, summer favorite, the most loved fruit. Mangoes are highly nutritious, rich in vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, calcium, manganese, iron, phosphorus, selenium, beta carotene, etc. It helps in preventing the health conditions like blood pressure, heart disease, cancer, etc. High in calories, rich in fibers and antioxidants, promotes better metabolism, cleanses the body toxins, helps in boosting the immune system and prevents from heat stroke. Muskmelon, very nutritious and refreshing fruit, high alkaline and water content, perfect summer fruit, helps in body hydration and relieves acidic effects of extreme temperatures, also very good coolant of the body. It is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, iron, etc. And 1 cup of juice can satisfy more than 50% daily requirement of vitamin A and vitamin C. Kiwi, highly nutritious and very good in summers, satisfies the nutrient needs of the body very effectively. Kiwis are rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B6, iron, magnesium, potassium, folate and plenty of dietary fibers. They are very good in neutralizing the pH balance in the body and strengthening the immune system. An excellent remedy for blood count. It is very good for heart and liver. Kiwi nourishes the skin and hair, prevents from heat and it is very good in relieving the sleeping disorders. Oranges. Oranges are very good summer fruits containing more than 80% of water. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, pectin, etc. which helps in preventing many health conditions like cancer, kidney diseases and oranges are very good at alkalizing the bodies, helps in controlling the blood pressure. During summers, our body tends to lose most amount of potassium through sweat. Oranges are high in potassium. They helps in maintaining the potassium levels in the body. Papaya, one of the healthy fruits, can be eaten throughout the year. During summers, due to their high in dietary fibers, they help us to improve the intestinal health, regulates the bowel movement, rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B, folate, beta carotene and especially rich in several antioxidants and phytochemicals which helps to reduce the inflammation and cell damage, helps in preventing the serious diseases like cancer and heart disease. Pineapple, one of the best fruits for hydration in summer, contains many vitamins and minerals, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B6, magnesium, calcium, potassium, etc. They are very good in improving the digestion as they contain enzymes that support the digestive functions also improves the metabolism. It has many anti-inflammatory properties which helps in reducing the inflammation and helps in controlling the many health conditions like arthritis very effectively. It is well known for burning calories and weight loss. Guavas. Guavas are highly nutritious, contain vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B6, potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron. It is very beneficial to the diabetic patients as it stabilizes the blood sugar levels and regulates the insulin absorption in the body. It is high in potassium which helps in the heart health and reduces the muscle cramps. High in vitamin C which helps in boosting your immunity and many metabolic activities. It has many beneficial properties for eye and skin. Plums. Plums are rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, magnesium, best known for improving the digestion and relieving constipation. They are high in dietary fibers. High potassium content in plums helps in maintaining the heart health by controlling the blood pressure levels. It contains many antioxidants which prevents us from many serious health conditions like cancer and diabetes. Lychees, the most popular summer fruits. Next to mango, it is juicy and delicious fruit loaded with antioxidants and nutritious. It has many beneficial effects on the body. It contains vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, iron, magnesium, which helps in boosting your immunity. It helps in reducing the inflammation in the body, controls the blood pressure and maintains the heart health. It is good in source of polyphenols which prevents the cancers. Figs. Figs are fiber rich and highly beneficial in maintaining body health during summer, regulates digestion and relieves constipation. Figs are rich in source of vitamin K, vitamin A, potassium, iron, magnesium and contains several antioxidants, and it is highly loaded with the natural sugars which helps in giving the instant energy needed during the summers. It controls the blood sugar and it prevents the diabetes and cancers. Bananas. Throughout the year, we can taste the bananas. Bananas are rich in potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, vitamin B6, vitamin C, number of antioxidants and phytonutrients which gives us instant energy and helps in preventing many health conditions like cancer, diabetes and asthma. Very popular in relieving constipation. It is very good for heart which helps in lowering the blood pressure. Apricots, not only delicious but very good summer fruits which contains essential nutrients like potassium, magnesium, iron, calcium, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6 and number of dietary fibers which helps us in indigestion, and the apricots are very rich in source of antioxidants like beta carotene which helps us to protect our skin and eyes during the summers. Peaches. They are loaded with nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C, niacin, potassium, etc. Contains a good number of dietary fibers which helps in improving the digestion and regulates the bowel movements. Peaches are very high in antioxidants which helps in maintaining your skin health. Potassium levels in peaches are very high which helps in regulating or lowering the blood pressure which improves the heart health. Grapes. Very delicious summer fruits rich in antioxidants, essential vitamins and minerals like potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin A, etc. helps in boosting the immune system, improves your bone health, very good at lowering the blood sugar levels. It contains many anti-aging properties and compounds which is very good for your skin during the summers, and it protects your skin from sunburns. Star fruits, delicious fruit rich in potassium, vitamin C. Star fruits are loaded with antioxidants and dietary fibers. Helps in curing the heat related stress on the body and the skin. It helps to treat the headaches which are caused due to the high and extreme temperatures. Very good in treating the sore eyes. The star fruits are also used in the treatment of ringworm infections. Bale, a very good coolant and must have summer fruit. It is loaded with several vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that helps in nourishing the body and keeps it healthy. Bale consisting of number of medicinal properties and therapeutic uses. It is used in number of Ayurvedic medicines. It is used in the treatment of various number of stomach alignments caused during the summers like diarrhea, constipation, stomach cramps, etc. Strawberries. Juicy and delicious strawberries makes a very good summer fruit, rich in vitamin C, vitamin B, potassium, magnesium, antioxidants, phytonutrients and flavonoids. Strawberries are anti-inflammatory, helps to treat various skin irritations and digestive issues during the summers. It helps to promote the heart health and regulates the blood sugar levels. Lemons. Lemons are very good in summer due to their rich nutrient and antioxidant content. Lemon juice is a quite popular drink during summers as it helps to cool the body and balance the alkaline levels. Lemons are rich in potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, etc. It helps in boosting your immunity. It helps in preventing many health conditions like heart disease, cancer, and kidney disease. Lemons are very beneficial for digestive health in summers. Cucumber. Cucumber is very good during summer time and it is available all around the year. It can be eaten as a snack anytime. High in water content which provides excellent hydration to the body. It is an excellent coolant during the extreme heats. Rich in potassium, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A and number of antioxidants which helps in lowering the blood pressure and very good at lowering the blood sugar levels. The bottom line, summers are very hot in climatic conditions. It is very important to keep ourselves hydrated. These summer fruits which consisting of numerous minerals, vitamins and antioxidants will protect you like a summer barrier through all your health conditions in the summer. So stay away from the sickness, keep yourselves fit by having all these best summer fruits. And if you think the contents of the video are helpful, share to your near ones. Subscribe for more videos. On every Monday you can watch a new video on Tiny Times Doctor's Corner. Thank you for watching.